And I give the floor now to the distinguished representative of Pakistan.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. My delegation would first like to congratulate you on assuming this responsibility. We assure you of our utmost cooperation. We appreciate International Law Commission for its draft articles to serve as the basis of an international treaty on crimes against humanity. We commend the role of International Law Commission in the development and codification of international law. Crimes against humanity are one of the gravest offenses. No act indeed is more sacrilegious than committing criminal offenses against innocent people. It is with great sadness and indignation that we see these crimes committed against the innocent people in different parts of the world, including in the occupied Jummoo and Kashmir and occupied Palestinian territories. Instead of addressing historic injustices meted out to these oppressed people, their dreams and hopes for a dignified future are being trampled down by brute force and violence. Pakistan unequivocally condemns these crimes and echo the call of all those who wish to eliminate impunity for them. Indeed, it is only by holding perpetrators accountable that we can take a meaningful and concrete steps for restoring the honor and dignity of the victims. International Law Commission's draft articles serve as a useful starting point for further deliberations on this important subject. Notwithstanding, we have yet to reach definitive conclusions regarding their substance and structure. We are confident that discussion in the preparatory committee would provide us more clarity on this subject. In the past sessions, numerous delegations voiced concerns related to the content of the draft articles. Most notably, draft Articles 7, 9, and 10, which are grounded in a broad interpretation of the universal jurisdiction doctrine, have raised concerns. The preamble draws inspiration from the Rome Statute of International Criminal Court, which lacks universal acceptance. Direct references to the statute, particularly concerning the definitions of crimes against humanity, could undermine the universal acceptance of any future convention. Similarly, it is vital to ensure that the definitions outlined in the draft articles on the prevention and punishment of crimes against humanity, specifically for crimes such as enslavement, torture, and enforced disappearances, align with those enshrined in the corresponding UN conventions. Chair, notwithstanding, Pakistan looks forward to working with the member states in the preparatory committee to conference of plenipotentiaries on the prevention and punishment of crimes against humanity. Pakistan hopes that committee would be able to harmonize differing perspectives to ensure that the forthcoming convention is widely embraced by international community, especially by those states which are not party to the Rome Statute. In conclusion, it is our considered opinion that draft articles should remain open to in-depth and weighty deliberations by the member states. Without prejudice to logical views expressed by some states, it would be useful to focus on legal merits of the draft articles and avoid their politicization so that we are able to create an international legal architecture which addresses the issue of accountability and impunity of crimes against humanity in full conformity with the UN Charter. I thank you.